Hey guys, in this video lecture we'll add a footer to our website. So go to the templates directory. Inside that block directory we'll create a new file called footer.html, and inside that footer we'll create a footer. So write footer. Inside that footer, first of all we need to give a class to this footer, which is name it footer, and inside that footer we'll create a div class of row, and inside that row we'll create 3 columns inside that row. So we'll write div class call md4 here. We have used call md4 because 4 times 3 equals 12, so we'll need to copy this 2 more times. And inside that div call md4 we'll create a paragraph text tag. Inside that paragraph we'll write a paragraph. So go to the website and click on new tab and go to the website lipsum.com to get a dummy or lipsum lorem ipsum text. So just copy it here and go to the footer.html. Inside that just paste it here. Excuse me. Paste it here and just copy the call md4 section inside that row 2 more times. So we do have a nice little footer with 3 column here. So we need to include, in order to show to the website, we need to include this footer.html inside the base.html. So go to the base.html here, and just after the end block here we'll write percentage and write include template tag. Inside that block we do have the footer.html. Just save it and check if the server is up and running, and it is yep. And if we go to the website again and refresh the page, we do have the lorem ipsum simply dummy text appearing here, but it is looking somewhat weird. As you can see, 3 column row is now appearing just fine. So if we need to style this footer, so we go to the atom text editor back here, and inside the static directory we do have the style.css file coming up here. And first of all we need to create an style and HTML template. So inside that we'll write position should be the relative, and we'll write minimum height of that HTML or the whole page should be 100%. This should be the minimum height. And we'll now need to style our footer. So inside that we'll write, first of all, the position should be absolute because we need the footer at the bottom of the page, which should be the absolute or the fixed. And then we'll write bottom should be 0, and left of the footer should be 0 as well, and right of the footer should be 0 as well. And we'll write height here. Height of the footer would be like 130 pixel. You can set it accordingly. And the background color I will write here hash 2c C33E50. And we are done here with the footer, which the E should be capital. Save it, and if we go back to the website here and refresh the page, we do have the background color and the padding of 15 pixels. We need to give here padding of 15 pixels, so it will look somewhat nice. And yes, it is now working. And as you can see, the lorem ipsum is not looking great, so we'll need to write text white, which is a Bootstrap class. So go to the footer.html. Inside that footer class footer we'll write text white, which is a Bootstrap class. So which will make this paragraph, the text of this paragraph white. So we refresh the page, see now the text is appearing somewhat good and it is looking awesome. And also if we go to the style.css here, it's working fine. Check if first post it is showing here, but as you can see here the comments are now hidden as footer is appearing above of the page. So to get rid of this, we need to go to the style.css, and inside that body we'll write up here. Inside the body we'll need to write margin from bottom should be like 150 pixel. So if you refresh the page, and as you can see, the margin from the bottom of the page is 150 pixel, which is this, and the height of the footer is 130 pixel, so this makes the 20 pixel here. So the difference of, as you showing here, just after the last comment, and the footer is 20 pixel, as 150 minus 30, 130 is 20 pixel. You can increase that 160 pixel if you want to. So as you can see, now 10 pixel is now increased from the bottom of the page. So also go to the we'll align text align justify is equals to justify for each of the paragraph inside the column MD4. So we write dot footer p tag, and inside that we'll write text align justify. Refresh the page, and now the text has been aligned. Each and every line is now aligned here. So we have added our footer, and check if it is working to all of the post detail view as well, and yes, it is working. And click on the reply button, and it is still now the body to the footer ratio is, the difference of the body to the footer is 30 pixel, as 160 minus 130 is 30 pixel. So this is it guys, we are all done here. In the see you guys in the next video lecture.